Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got another quick pocket knife video for you. This one is an Imperial Frontier USA number 4412 lockback pocket knife. It's got a California clip blade. Got the Frontier tang stamp there. Your nail nick. Got the stamp of the model number here, which is 4412, and it says Imperial USA there. It's got brass liners in it, and it's got this powder horn shield here. It says Frontier on it. Let's see here if we can get in closer. Pretty cool. Nickel silver bolsters. And let's go ahead and measure it. And it looks like about 4 1/4, right around there. And we'll weigh it. Uh, 2.4 ounces. And that is it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.